Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can perform a one-sample student t-test using Python and my stikpetP library. I'm using Jupyter Lab together with Python version 3.818. Now this is a test usually used for a single mean, so you can test whether or not the average age in the population might be 50, for example. It's usually used with small sample sizes. With bigger sample sizes, sometimes a z-test is actually used. To show you how this can be done, I'll use some example data by loading in pandas, and then I can use their read CSV function to load the general social survey data from 2012 adjusted for these example purposes. I of course first need to import pandas and then it can actually work. I don't need all the data, I only need one numeric field. I'm going to be using the age field, which has all kinds of numbers in there. I'll remove the missing values. I'll replace the 89 and older category that's in there just with 89 and change everything to be sure to be numeric. I'll store all of this under scale field and I'll set my hypothesized mean to be 50. Now my library is available by using pip install and then the link to my GitHub. Once you've installed it once, you can always import it afterwards by using import stikpetP, and I'm using SPS. Now the function of interest is TS, which is short for test, student, T, and then OS for one sample. It takes as input the data, of course, and optionally you can specify the hypothesized mean. If you don't specify this, it will simply use the mid-range, which is the maximum plus minimum divided by 2. So I just fill out the value, the mu, and the test actually returns a data frame where the first one is my hypothesized mean. It shows the sample mean, the t statistic, the degrees of freedom, which is actually the sample size minus 1, the two-sided p-value, and the test that was actually used. Now usually the threshold for this is 0.05, and this is far below that, so then we would reject the null hypothesis and we'll have a significant result, and therefore in the population most likely the true average age is not 50. Alright, I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.